In this video, I'll show you exactly how ChatGPT can help you start, grow, and even scale a business right now, even if you're starting from scratch. Before we dive in, thanks for being on this video. This is a mind-blowing video where you're going to learn how ChatGPT can help you start a successful business without any consultation aside. Have you ever dreamt of starting a successful business, but felt stuck by lack of ideas, capital, or guidance? Well, that's not an excuse right now. It's over. Those excuses are not there because AI just changed the game. Most of you have excuse, but you will remember that you'll be implicating yourself. I'm taking you through this journey, and I'm talking about ChatGPT, the virtual assistant, idea generator, the business partner, and the coach. It's all in one. In this video, I'll show you exactly how ChatGPT can help you start, grow, and even scale a business right now, even if you're starting from scratch. Before we dive in, thanks for being on this video. This is a mind-blowing video where you're going to learn how ChatGPT can help you start a successful business without any consultation aside. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not a financial guru. I'm a lady that decided to use my smartphone and at the same time to disperse this energy, the love, and even the information that the few people out there are using it. Why not you? To my special subscribers, I love you so much. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. And to you top engagers, you know your place. You hold a bigger place in our hearts. So without going very far, let's see the first way for you to build your business. You know, it is idea generation. Idea generation is very important. But first things first, every business starts with an idea. ChatGPT can generate business ideas based on your skills, on your passion, even on your market trends. What do you do now? Just go to ChatGPT. Ask, what are profitable business ideas I can start with without investing money or not much money, depending on the money that you have. In my country, what is your country? You're in Uganda, you're in Nigeria, you're in Ethiopia, are you in Rwanda, or you're in South Africa? Give me 5 business ideas, you just using my smartphone. Boom. If you ask this, it will come. No more wasting weeks trying to figure out what to do. ChatGPT gives you options instantly. Then the second thing, after generating the idea, you have to go for market research. Once you have gotten the idea, ChatGPT helps you to validate it. I want you to head over to ChatGPT. It's simple. You put this text. You speak like, who is the target audience for an online clothing store? What problem do small business owners face in this digital space? These are the things you need to know. Hey, you will get deep insights without spending hours on Google. Then the third step for all business builders is business planning. You need a business plan. Just run to ChatGPT. Ask it to create a simple business plan for a home-based skincare brand. It will lay out your mission, put your products there, target market, marketing structure, and even add income goals. You will look like a pro as if you're a pro. No, even if it is your first time, you become an expert. Let's see the fourth. The fourth stage is branding and content. It's very essential. Branding, you have to brand, you have to have content about your business, you have to know what you stand for. Now, here is the main gist. ChatGPT helps you to name your business, that is one. It helps you to write your bio. It helps you to create slogans. It helps you even to build a full content strategy for platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all name them. What you need to do, head over ChatGPT, ask it, write 30 days of Instagram caption for a fashion brand. Mine, like me, I'm starting another business in clothing and perfume. So this is what I'll use. Give me a comparing bio for my business page. No more standing at a blank screen, just black screen and you start doing this. No. ChatGPT has your back. Let's see the fifth step. Every business needs, it is sales and customer service. Want to write offers that convert? ChatGPT can help you do this. One, it is like sales emails, you don't need to suffer with them. WhatsApp broadcast messages, yes. Customer support replies, yes. Product description that sells, yes. You need to ask ChatGPT to write for you a sale pitch for your hair care products that speaks to working moms. Instant results immediately, and you really get the real connection. The sixth stage, it is scaling and automation. Every business needs this, and ChatGPT has gotten your back. Ask your business grows, please, as it moves. ChatGPT can help you create. It creates for you standard operating procedures. If you don't know SOPs, write it in the comment section. I'll come and tell you about it briefly. It automates replies. It scripts for hiring virtual assistants, and it has a system for delegating tasks. You don't need to suffer. It's like having a full team one person in one chat. So please, this is your time now. You can do it. Remember what we're talking about. We're talking about how ChatGPT can help you start a successful business right now without a hassle. What do you need? I know it is in your mind. You need just a smartphone with internet and download. You can make a ChatGPT free version even. You can go ahead and pay for premium because it helps you. Premium has other features that you'll love to enjoy. So whether you are selling clothes, you're coaching your clients, you're baking your cakes or building a digital product, you're like me who wants to invest in perfumes, ChatGPT is an unfair advantage. It's here, seriously. Don't just scroll. What we need to do now, this era, we need to start building. Don't be comfortable when you're building. I know you'll feel that uncomfort when you're building, when you're starting. That's how the foundation is. The foundation is always muddy. Accept it and be in mud. Have those few long hours doing your things. You know you're building passive income. You're not for on today's meal. You're not on someone's business waiting for a monthly salary. You are building something that is going to be paying you monthly. That is what we call passive income. So here we are. What you need to do is just to ask the right questions. Also, might tell you like that, and you go and ask the wrong questions. You know exactly which question do you want to ask. Take bold steps and treat this tool like your secret weapon. Don't take it for granted. The future is already here. You're already living in it, but most of you don't know. And your business, it is already here. It's one ChatGPT question away. Just one ChatGPT question. Ask ChatGPT. Just one, not even two. Drop this, you guys, in the comment section if you want to follow and know more about making a business with ChatGPT. Drop "I'm building a business" if you're ready to start now. But have you really shared this video? Have you liked it? Why haven't you subscribed and you're watching? Please, let's be smart. Let's grow our tools and grow our businesses. See you in another video. Bye-bye.